So now let's see how we can utilize the YouTube Music extension inside of Gemini. So in order to utilize the YouTube Music extension, I'm going to go around on the settings on the extension, and you can see that YouTube Music is turned on right here. So you can search for songs right here, as you can see right here. Let's say, for example, it says play songs where Beyonce and Jay-Z featured together. So if I were to go around and search right here, then it searches out for YouTube Music, as you can see right here, just like this. So let's just go around and let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say find more music, music that are interesting right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, then it uses YouTube Music, as you can see right here, just like this. But if I were to go around and turn it off right here, so let's just go around and turn YouTube Music off right here, and let's say, for example, find music that I can listen to which are interesting right here, just like this. Then what happens is that it simply goes around and uses YouTube instead, as you can see right here. That is because YouTube Music is turned off. And if I were to turn off YouTube again, then it won't search out anything right there. So let me just go around over here and connect out again, and then it'll be re-enabled. And that is how you can utilize YouTube Music extension inside of Gemini. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.